And here we go for the next Mrs. VacLab whole house carpet cleaning. And these machines were specifically picked at her request. So on the left we have the very interesting color schemed Hoover Wind Tunnel Max. And on the right we have, I think this is actually my first bagless machine. Not in the house, but since I got rid of our bagless machine. It was a Dirt Devil we had from like 2004 to 2012. It finally actually sustained significant damage after 8 years. So this is my reemergence into the bagless community, so to speak, is this Hoover Wind Tunnel 2 high capacity pet. And my wife actually noticed something. Maybe it's meaningful, maybe it's not. While the machines were off, so you can kind of do your thing there in the bare feet.
Trying to decide which one's the easier one to push for the second floor larger carpet area, so that my shoulder doesn't kill me before we're done. And I noticed that pushing both of them, this blue one really doesn't move. Yeah, there's no power, but holy cow, it doesn't move. And also, these are heavy handles to hold and have to deal with, so let's see how far I can get on a whole house cleaning today.
And you notice all the all the lovely creaking plastic. Yeah, isn't that great?
So we're gonna say bye-bye to this heavy beast.
All right.
Maybe it's better when it's got power, but
It's a symphony of creaking plastic.
it's still creaking.
Yep.
Okay, I guess we
All
might
right, so
plug this
get the
bad
plug
boy
in there.
in.
And it's a shorter cord because this was an economy model. I saw it as cheap as, before they stopped making it, I think I saw this one as cheap as like $69 on sale.
Okay,
We found a plug?
we found a plug.
Okay, we found a plug.
Hopefully it gets me all the spots I need.
Okie dokie.
So, creak, creak, creak.
Creaky, creaky, creaky.
Just gotta figure out where the power button is, because, yeah.
Yeah, well, that one's not on the handle. It's an economy model.
Oh,
Yeah, it's on the back.
it's on the back. Well, there we are. Ready?
Yep.
Don't forget, barefoot. Woohoo! My trademark, barefoot. Oh, it's heavy.
I think that one has a double button. I mean, you can't go completely flat, obviously. Yeah, the hoses and stuff kind of make it difficult to go totally flat. It's a short cord.
Got me to the corner of the tunnel.
Oh.
One room down and I'm on the floor already. A lot of weight.
So finish up a little spot there and then we'll have to replug. Cord's still in there. Alright, here we go. Alright, now we're replugged.
Gotta find the button.
Go get it, Rosie. Go get it. Nope. All right. Go get it. All right, she's just gonna look at it. Oh, okay. So a lot of handle weight still.
Also very heavy to push.
Round and around we go.
That's it. I'm out. And I just made it. Yep, that's it.
I've got to erase all my footprints. Okay, any comments about this inexpensive dude?
Very heavy. Maybe you guys will like this, or people without shoulder problems, but it's way too heavy for me to push.
Yeah, and then we even had it set on medium, so that's just the way it is. Inexpensive machine, it picks up. You saw the stuff spinning around in there. We'll take a look at it later, but now it's time to go down to the first floor and run the turquoise machine. Okay, so Mrs. VacLab has now informed me that her right shoulder, which is the one she had surgery on, is indeed her strong arm, but her weak shoulder. So that previous Hoover kind of did her in just a little bit. So we'll see how she gets along with this Wind Tunnel Max. Is this going to completely wipe her out? All right, so now we got to deal with the automatic cord reel. And do we have any little marker, like, say, oh, I don't know, a little yellow piece of tape that maybe we can clip into something up at the top of the handle to help her out?
Gee, I don't know. Is he giving me an awful lot of hints versus me guessing? Oh, look, it locks.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
I don't think you're going to want to throw it over your shoulder, though.
Okay.
I know that's what you like to do. Well, it's a longer cord. It's a more expensive machine, so they have longer cords.
I see a white mark. Oh,
okay. Here's a yellow mark.
Oh, so the tape comes off. Oh.
Yeah, so that's up there now. And of course, you keep pulling, you get a red mark, but usually the yellow mark's a good indicator. You can go and snap her in the little cord keeper there, and maybe that'll help out the shoulder.
I doubt it.
Whoops. So it slipped out of the little cord keeper, so now we have to pull it out again.
This is entertainment.
There we go. All right, so
lock it in place.
Yeah, get that in there firmly.
Well,
Oh, is it?
It doesn't snap in.
Oh, let's see. Is it? Oh, I think it might have broken. Oh, it did. It did. I can see a little crack.
I didn't do it.
I don't. Yeah. And it's right there where my fingernail is.
Here?
Yeah. So yes, this. There we go. Yep. See, it finally broke. It only lasts for a certain period of time. Yep. Well, we'll vacuum it up. How about that? Well, that's about how long that lasts. So I didn't use it a whole lot, but I did use it some, and you saw it at the end of its life. And no, you can't glue it back on because it'll just keep popping back off. Yeah. I could glue it on and make it look like it works, but
just have it look like cosmetically.
Okay, all right. Put it off to the side then.
We won't throw it away.
All right.
Look cosmetically.
We never throw anything away.
Mr. VacLab never departs of any parts. Okay, now, I do not know where the power button is on here. Oh, hey. Oh, gosh. That's a heavy one.
didn't have it in bare floor mode. So, ooh, how far can we go before we run out of cord?
Oh, well, if the cord doesn't keep sucking in, I'll be in good shape.
Yeah. All right.
Here we go. Try again.
And now no longer do we have a cord keeper.
Whoop.
A little bit more, a little bit more. How far does it go?
Well.
And is that about it? And we go to the red, and yeah, it made it. Okay, essentially it made it. Okay, so we're going to re-plug in. And now we're re-plugged in, so let's finish up the 2 rooms. lost her. All right. Coming in here. That's good. There we go. Creaky plastic bagless Hoovers ×2. All right, so what did you and your shoulder think of these two guys?
For me personally,
yeah,
I'd go with this. Let's see. Yep, the arm won't go up because it's pinched.
yeah. Okay.
Very heavy, both of them.
Heavy.
Pull,
so
push.
All right. So moving them is more difficult than what she's used to for some other machines, and also the handle weight, just the static handle weight when you recline them, is also heavy. So heavy and heavy. All right.
It's a workout.
Yeah, it's a workout. So how about we go and take a look at the dirt pickup?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Let's see. Screaming white pieces of paper on a dark brown deck, and it's bright outside. All right, I'm definitely going to have to adjust the ISO here. Hey, now I can actually see a little bit of something. Okay. What did the Wind Tunnel Max manage to pick up? A lot of dog hair. An awful lot of dog hair. That light brown stuff is all our dog Rosie's hair, and there is a bunch of it. It's a nice ball right there. Fur ball. Fiber, 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 fiber. Mostly fiber. Lots and lots of dog hair, and there's fiber mixed in there. That's probably really about as best as I could do. Hope a gust of wind doesn't come along, because that's gonna definitely take off. And wind tunnel 2. Let's see what that did. Different floors, of course. Come on out. Come on out. Let's see here. Well, yeah, mostly fiber. Well, it's just mostly fiber. Hair. Wife's long hair. 2 foot long hair. This is essentially almost all fiber. Very, very little fine dust. That one's got more fine dust in it, I think. So if I do an exceptionally lousy job of trying to separate this, there's still a bunch of fiber mixed in there. All right, so that's loosely what we have. Wonder what I can do with that. Huh. I don't know. Maybe I'll put it in a trash can and make a slow motion video. Yeah, that sounds like an idea. This ought to be fun. There. Let's see what this is going to do. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. Not really a problem here. Let's see if this has any more in here. Not that bad. Not that bad at all, really. Not bad at all. Set this back up here. We'll have explosion party. Dust explosion. Oh, nothing there. Good shape. There. And there we go. Those two are ready to go. That was fun.